Dubao MDH-425 ETFE plastic magnetic pump use seal-less structure, which can solve the leakage problem and don't need to replace the seal. This feature make our magnetic pump ideal for many strict application. Pump body is using native. Significantly improve the corrosion resistance and structural strength. Installation size is versatility. Can decrease maintenance cost and human life.
Jiangsu Dubao Pump Industry Company Limited is a production-oriented enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing,
and sales. Founded in 2007. The company is located in Wuxi, Jiangsu, China. The environment is beautiful and the transportation is very convenient. In the process of innovation and
R&D, we focus on product innovation, quality improvement,
and process improvement. The company has passed the ISO 9001 Management System certification. The products are applicable to electroplating,
circuit board PCB, LED electronics and photovoltaic solar energy, wastewater treatment, medical and chemical industry, waste gas treatment, etching cleaning, anodizing, electrophoretic coating,
and other industries.
The products are exported to Southeast Asia, South Asia, the Middle East, South America, Africa, Europe, North America,
and other regions, and established a long-term and stable cooperative relationship through excellent quality. Our products are widely used in the chemical industry,
electroplating, metal processing, medicine,
food processing, and other fields. They have the characteristics of acid assistance,
corrosion resistance, stable and deliable quality,
simple structure, and easy maintenance. The products can be customized according to the use scene,
such as size, voltage, import and export position,
caliber, and other parameters. For details,
please contact us. Email kathy@jsdow.com. WhatsApp +8615106198365.